Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? In here, I want to show you how to checking MySQL version and type in Debian 9.3.0. How to do that? Let's first log in your account, of course, and you need to enter as super user. So after uh, you log in with your general account, you must log in again for super user and give your password. Now for checking MySQL version of our Debian system is just type mysql -u root -p like this. This is for login to my SQL account. Okay, I want to try. You can see in my system Debian is using MariaDB, and how to checking my SQL version is just type like show variables, like you can see with version percent in here, it's mean like. Okay, that's all. You can see in here I'm using uh, MariaDB dash 0 plus deb 9 u1 in here, and for version command is Debian 9.1 InnoDB version SSL, and for library malloc in here. Okay, that's all tutorial how to checking our MySQL version in the Debian 9.3. Thanks for watching and bye bye.